This is event 203, girls 12 and under, 4x50 medley relay heat 1.
Push, anak, push!
May we request swimmers from event 203, 4x50 medley relay to please proceed to the ready bench. Cebu Sacred Heart School, Tagbilaran, and Academia del Cristi Fidelis. Please proceed to the ready bench right now. Again, swimmers for the medley relay, Cebu Sacred Heart School, Tagbilaran, and Academia del Cristi Fidelis. Please proceed to the ready bench. On deck are swimmers for girls 12 and under, 4x50 medley relay. In lane 1, Maria Montessori International School, Visaya Zian, Montero Laika, Roles, Alexandra, Paul Maxine. In lane 2, Indiana Aerospace University, Rubila Zara, Quintanar Amber, Luarez Eloise, and Inocencio Zoe. In lane 3, Sacred Heart School, Ihas, Besanyas, Guliana, Huy, Gladys, Longakin, Adriel, and Capino Aliana. In lane 4, St. Teresa's College of Cebu, Huy Sofia, Camry Vidal, Caitlin Vidal, and Kaya Valdez. In lane 5, Bacong Elementary School, Jamaira, Almario, Jillian Collantes, Scarlett Jimenez, and Francesca Perilla. In lane 6, San Carlos School of Cebu, Mary Cassandra Pineda, Gracie Marguerite Baron, Milibeth Tan, and Janela Javier. In lane 7, San Carlos School of Cebu, Rosemary Faith Salot, Mariel Tan, Janine Hermosissima,
Guys ka!
Nice.
Guys ka!
Again, this is
Guys ka!